In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Salesforce. To get started, open Salesforce and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the campaigns area. To do that, click the App Launcher, which is the grid icon usually found in the top left corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Campaigns, and then select Campaigns from the results. If Campaigns doesn't appear in your search, that usually means the feature isn't visible for your user profile, and you may need your Salesforce administrator to enable access before you can continue. Once you're inside the campaign section, click New to begin creating your campaign. This opens the campaign form where you'll enter the main details. Start with the campaign name. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the campaign so it's easy to recognize later. Then select the type, such as email, webinar, trade show, or advertisement, depending on the kind of marketing effort you're setting up. Next, choose the status. This helps indicate where the campaign currently stands, such as planned, in progress, or completed. After that, enter the start date and end date so Salesforce can properly track the campaign timeline. You can also fill in expected revenue and budgeted cost if you want to measure performance against your financial goals. These fields are optional, but they can be very useful for reporting and ROI analysis later on. After the main campaign details are filled out, continue by adding any additional information that will help define the campaign more clearly. This can include a description, your goals, the target audience, and your marketing objectives. Taking a little extra time here can make the campaign easier to manage and more informative for anyone else reviewing it in Salesforce. When everything looks good, click Save to create the campaign. After saving, open the newly created campaign so you can start adding campaign members. From there, click Add Leads or Add Contacts depending on the audience you want to include. Select the leads or contacts you want associated with the campaign and then update their campaign member status if needed. This status can help you track where each person stands in relation to the campaign. Once your campaign is launched, Salesforce gives you tools to track its performance over time. You can monitor key metrics like the number of leads, responses, opportunities created, revenue generated, and return on investment. Keeping an eye on these results helps you understand what's working and gives you better insight for future campaigns. And that's how to create a campaign in Salesforce.